fail woefully. This protest wey una do now, when God don bless una, where una take am reach now, no wonder Jubrin say una be lazy youth. Why do we start fights and we cannot end it? Why do we start massification of black race? We cannot end it. Listen to me, my brothers. You know, since all those days, I dey look, I say, see my brothers. See the people that I be fighting for donkey years. See the way they are. When this protest start, EndSARS 19 start, I been a lie talk. From EndSARS, end the bad government. The protests were moving smoothly. The world were listening to us. Promolumba come out and said, yes, Africa must grow. That the day Nigeria wake up, the whole Africa will be liberated. When Nigeria wake up, Nigeria turn into Nigeria matter. Nigeria turn into looting. Nigeria turn into thief. Nigeria turn into destroy. Then the government hijack the protest. We the real protester that need freedom, we no use wisdom. We can't join them, spoil everything. Now, the leaders don't call us coward. And wholeheartedly, we are coward. Let me tell you how we are coward. Listen to me. If you like, make you listen. The highest protest that have done what Napoleon could not do, it was Lekki protest that the military and the government hijack and kill multitude. It's in Guinness Book of Record. The world is aware of Lekki protest. No those kind useless thing one are going to do. When you are protesting in the foreign world, my brother in diasporas, now me I want specially talk to now today. Because una when dey international, una supposed to know say protest is not made by violence. It's not to burn police station. It's not to burn a warehouse. It's not to go and be looting people. It's not to go and be destroying reservation area. Because wetin dem take am do, if e spoil, dem no dey fit repair am again. We know the government fuck up. Our government bad o. They don't want give Ghetto Man job o. If Ghetto Man no get work, my brother, na we go take survive o. It's a very good statement. But can we use casualty for them to call us, you know, say Nigeria youth is lazy? Can we use fight to fight for freedom? Road wey spoil, how to repair? My father told me one day, say, Ima, he said, Ima, you know what happen? If you want to live good life, say the truth and let the devil be ashamed. He said, don't fear them, because nobody is God and no man is God. He said, always say the truth. One day they will remember you. And right from time I started my life, I always follow the lane of Almighty God. I never follow Lucifer. I'll be going to jail for truth, and I will still continue to go to jail for truth till truth set us free. See this protest now. Government pay people to hijack this protest. We now, when we say we fight for the righteous, we join the spoiler. Okay, where are we now? Everywhere is cool. See Tinubu boat come out. He say he no go anywhere. He say na Jabagan of Lagos State. He say call him pikin. He said, any person touch you, then Nigeria is fighting for rice. Nigeria is fighting for Indomie. When COVID-19 come, and don't share this rice, you kill yourself. Were you hungry? Did you not buy for yourself? Did you not take care of yourself? Then you leave the protest and be looting rice, busting people's houses, burning police station. I'm not a partaking to that because I'm a freedom fighter. Those are the people who ask questions. And anything when you spoil today, how to repair? property when those men destroy remain. We wan finish am make we dey hungry. You are looting rice today, you go shit out away tomorrow morning. You are looting indomie today, you go shit out away tomorrow morning. I want to let you know, but if we construct this country very well, hungry will be right off. Let's fight for our rights. Don't let us end this protest. Don't let the government hijack this protest. They have hijacked this protest through hoodlums and thugs with finance. Say Nigeria like money. Say if they give them small money, they go come spoil something. Make they say the youth, when they fight for the liberation of Africa, say that they cause the problem. If you watch this protest, the time start, Africa were moving forward. But before you know what happened, they hijack it. They finance them. Check out motor wey come Abuja. Na me get that motor. Government motor. Bring out thugs. They were shooting, killing. Am I the owner of that motor? Then you are quieting. Then you are happy. You are not shouting that you get rice for warehouse. Now rice be your problem. If they get freedom for this country, you know say we go to produce rice by ourselves. What are we producing in this country? Our leader have hijacked us. They are financing you people to hijack us again. And you people are happy. No wonder the Jubril fake president come out and they do audio. Una no fit protest. Una no fit drive motor. No fight. How many soldiers go fit kill? We no go fight. We go lucky now. Guinness Book don't carry am. All this one that they do now, they say they do this and that. No Guinness Book of Record carry am. I'm telling people the truth. The youth wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, my brother. I'm already off. I'm old. I've been fighting this fight, and thank God it was my president that this fight started. And thank God if I make mistake, when I reach heaven, I will tell God the truth that my youth are really coward. They love I saw more than future. They don't like future. Because when you give them money to go and kill your brother, they will not be, they are not happy with themselves. See what happened today. Right now, as I'm standing before you now, the protest is already going. The old cargos have won you people. The old cargo have boasted and they have succeeded. And what is the gain of this protest? Or one youth make the raise up here and tell me, come back now, call me, share these brokers, share this thing. Make one youth come back and raise up your hand. The protest we wanna do now, when they kill our father, kill our mother, kill our brother, kill our sister, it's already off. Nobody is shouting again. Nobody can go and sit down and tell government to go now. Because government don't hijack am. And una join government hijack am. How they go dey looking for international community say you dey steal rice, you dey steal machine, you dey break stuff. You are not fighting righteous. They will look you like a hungry youth. And we are not hungry. Those men have been punishing us. We have started hungry and they are not feeding us. And they cannot feed us. It is we that will fight for our food. We will be generating food. We will be enjoying. And we will drive them away. We will retrieve all those money from all those idiots. Senate now, not see the way they talk. You imagine now. See they don't make another statement now. President Buhari, Jubril, we don't ask president. I don't dey close my face till they talk. Because if you talk, you die. According to Dino, that is why some people leave Dino alone. Even though Dino is corrupt, Dino still get good heart for this country. Because right from time, Dino prophesied, and the prophesied come on board, but the youth spoil am. He said they go stone us to death. They will be burning our houses. It is manifesting now. And right now, you no go burn Oshomole went thief our money also. You no go bomb Buhari also. Senate president no go bomb the also. You are bombing government property. You see your life. This is the property when we say all those men live for us when we take start life. Why are you even burning houses? Why can't you seize that house after we don win, when the youth don dey reign? We will take and do computer for children. They go dey go school for there. Why are you looting? You are a thief. International community are not happy with the youth in Africa, in Nigeria especially now. As this revolution come, we don win. The youth don win. They don get the code. Small thing just spoil am, and now una spoil am. Now una destroy am. But we see our future. Right now, we will not use gun. I told you people, this is not a casualty war. This war is oppression. We don't need them again. We need from the person when senior Nigeria, when they rule us, make a step down, make pikin rule. I may not be so na talk, not to the loot, not to the thief. Have you ever seen any country where no get reserve? Opportunity crack una now the thief rice, now the thief beans. Then they look una like thief. You see the way they say Nigeria is hungry. One of my friends in Cameroon, I have a friend in foreign countries who do call me. They call me, they hate me because they are watching me all over the world. They hate me. Many foreign countries, foreign African countries. Some people do call me. They hate me. They say, Baba, you say the truth, but they don't believe in you. One Ravdon, he live in Amsterdam. It's my friend in Facebook. He called me, say, Daddy, you fight for freedom very well. Say, but you know what is worrying them? Stomach infrastructure. They don't need development. He said they have won the war. And this is not a war of thugs. This is not a war of cutlass. This is not a war of blood. This is a war of the youth. On the long run, una taste food spoiler. People go dey bring food for una. I fit talk am that day. People will bring, helicopter will bring food, aeroplane, aircraft will bring food. If you do this protest very well, and now we never see relent. Wake up. This is the time we have to fight for our freedom. This is the time you people have, because if una miss am, at least can I prophesy? If una miss am, we have about 40 years coming. I may not be alive again to gain this freedom when God give una now. To gain this freedom when Almighty God break out in Nigeria. And wholeheartedly, all of them have succumbed. Don't let us use dent, stain to spoil this game. If you watch the whole world, Mr. Man, don't call me with this line. If you want to help me, call me with the line when I give you. I write my number, put for there. Let's discuss life. Don't call me now. You are distracting what I'm using to talk to you now. As this me they talk to you for media now, they distract my ministry. I don't like it because me don't compose to come. God give me wisdom to talk. And when I talk and finish, I don't remember again. Now people go to talk, say, see what I talk. That is how I live my life. And that is how I choose my life. That is why I will live till I die. If you want to call me my brother, Imobisa Christy, call me with my line when I put for there. Not they call me with this WhatsApp when they hear, so that you will disturb me. Take God beg you. If you know if you call, more days ahead, let me talk. The youth has disappointed me. I go to jail when I was a youth in this ministry when God break on in my presence now. In this protest now, I'll be protesting. They're not the see phone that time. Do you know how many times they arrested me, put me in the yard because of this truth? Can hungry kill us? Where we have been starving? Small time we will get freedom food, go Jabrata, we will get light, we will get good road, go to enjoy. Now I want to take food spoil our body. Go to break stores, they will call on an idiot. Go to bomb police station. Our police station won't go repair later, won't go even modify, won't go package, killing people, destroying people's property, looting. I don't like it. Don't call me in that ministry. I'm not there. God in heaven know this is not the way we started this game. This is not the way we started this game. We started this game, when we started this game, God in heaven were very happy. And God is annoyed now because we disappoint ourselves, but it's not yet too late. It's not yet too late. Tomorrow we can start. We are not going to use gun. They will kill, the stone will rise. The time this protest start, na so I fit tell you now. And don't believe me. Aso Rock is our own. We have to chase them away. Let's chase the Babylon away. Let's drive them away. Let's tell them that no man is God. Now we hungry pass. Somalia hungry pass us. Now we hungry pass. Go to the Niger Republic, hungry pass us. Libya today are hungry because they kill their God. If you are saying the truth, nobody will like you. They will hate you. They will disorganize you. They will not even make you happy. Go and check our great fathers that say the truth. Either they kill them or they give their affliction. We are not afraid to die. Why? Because truth shall set us free. And truth is my brother. I live in the truth. I die with the truth. I'm not afraid to say the truth. I'm no case to answer. If you get me arrested, good Samaritan will come and remove me, which is Almighty that live in heaven, which is you, and you are the God you don't know, and you are betraying yourself, and you are giving time for the hoodlums to take over the earth, and this earth belongs to us because we get plant, we get everything. We have the dominion over all the properties. Even the leader that is leading us, we are the one that put them there. We're supposed to be telling them what they will do for us. Not for them to be dictating for us, and not for we to be killing for them. Their children are not here. Check out the scenario now. You hear what Jabagan to Tinubu? Tinubu is mad. Tinubu is crazy. All youth wake up. I take God beg una. Mona leave their food. We no go die for hungry. Our brother in diaspora will bring food for us. International community will bring food for us. We will not use our hand to destroy the little one they left for us. God, they have loot us enough. They have destroyed our life enough. Home will destroy, how to build, how to get, but easy to spend. You read it now? Do you not read it? How to get, but easy to spend. When you are building, it's hard, but when you are demolition, it's very sweet. But when you want to rebuild, you start from square one. No government property should destroy. Let's seize those property that those our old cargos, those our armed robbers, Jubril, the Senate President, the Rep, the House of Assembly, the governors stole from us from them. Collect it from them and use it to do great thing for our future unborn children. That is my motion. That is what I stand for. I'm not standing for casualty. I'm not standing for war. Okwemo say war no good. Killing our brother, and you think I'm happy? One soul lost, you have lost a congregation in the house of God. Because that one will produce. From that reproductive, children will be multiplying. Because war without end. And we will never end till the others leader respect us. If this leader don't respect us, let's drive them away. Don't let us be looting ourselves. We are looting ourselves now, they are happy. If you see them now, they are rejoicing. Say, you don't see them? They are, you don't see them? And they say they'll feel end down. See Jabagan both talk, say no go France, oh. Say no go London, say no go Tokyo, say no Lagos State, oh. Then you want to go bomb Sheraton Hotel. You want to go bomb Hilltop Hotel. You want to go bomb our toll gate. You want to go bomb our airport. Are you not a fool? Why can't you bring Tinubu come out with a stoner, with a bitter like water? One will bitter, you go to retrieve the money small. Till the money complete, we'll take international committee, you go make bring our money for us. We'll take package ourselves. Why can't you remove Obasanjo Nana for our farm, OFM, Operation Feed the Nation farm, when person steal from us donkey years ago? Then you are burning government property, our own property, our money, oh, or God don't use and you this destroyer. Burning BROT. You carry that BROT bus now, say from today go, they don't repair again. Maybe people they put fuel, maybe people they take they do transport. Offense day. Burning our police station, security for that matter. Which gives it for that? We know police fuck up. NSAS, now start the revolution of Nigeria, and police already succumb for now. I mean, don already succumb for una, but una use small things spoil am. I know say na arrange government, but why we no come get sense? I know say na talks when government pay say make dem come act so that because they are hungry lion, when the lion is hungry is tougher than the iron, but they don't know that there are some patient lion, then they will eat the best food. Dog wey respect himself, when get patient, na dey eat the fattest bone. They pay the tax, we join the tax. On the long run, everywhere scatter scatter. Someone lost his life, no gain. Nobody go talk with, they go just take paper cover am. So let's move to Aso Rock. Movement of their children, send us another brother Nigeria. We are going to Aso Rock, go and ask them question, tell them to leave Nigeria alone. No, we are moving, we are not afraid. How many they go fit kill than to be looting? People will be bringing money, you will be eating. Okay, when this protest start in some places, Benin, in Lagos, in Kaduna, in everywhere, some people in Igbo land, some people bring cow, good Samaritan, wey need freedom. Some people bring rice, good Samaritan. Some people bring beans, good Samaritan. Na to loot, na make those people bring am. They need freedom, they need Nigeria to grow, they want Nigeria to be reformed. That is why they were contributing. As we come take fight spoil amoko, because they bonbon property when they born, they know they fit get am again tomorrow. Why we no go leave that property so that we make we drive all those our old cargos comot? When they comot, oh my brother, we go dey use that property take dey enjoy. We go join am, property go jabrata than to dey burn am, than to dey spoil am. And our leader don spoil am finish. Small one wey dey give us remain, we still dey take am one hand dey spoil am. Are we not a fool? Are we not a coward? Does war mean violent alone? People fight freedom without using cutlass, only biro, pen with their mouth. Some illiteracy. Some people that has wisdom, even though they are not learned. Likewise, me, I'm not learned too, but I have wisdom. I'm not learned, but I'm not an illiterate. I'm an illiteracy. The little one I know, I can address the congregation, and I can stand by my feet, and I work with God, and I want freedom, and I want everybody to be equal, because no man is God. And the youth, let's wake up. This protest that will never end. Quote me wrong, quote me right. Then let's start with uniform. Nigeria uniform. Hold your flag. Movement. This man is calling me, disturbing me. Leave me. That's why I hate Asian people. When they say Kevada come, they don't know now, or Yoruba making, or Igbo making. Back in the palm. Back in the media house in the middle town. Round there is some making, it's not that barrier. Was it better than temata? And they know temata. I'm with Bena. They all give me what I make watching and the Buari men. I could do play, I could do equipment in it. I could do radio in the middle winner. Round them matter. It's time way to hand the correct barrier. But oh yeah, more be zen on that gyro. Let me tell you why it be like that. It's not that name is your body. A dokia will not have it's some kind of milk paribo. Ọzọ rẹ dàbí dáwé sanna ẹdó dáwé wẹ àmì ẹsàn wẹ ká gbé san wẹ do wa and ẹsàn wọrẹ mẹ ní do kò ó bí àbá mi but eré pa ọ̀nà tẹ́ máa ta ọ̀nà wà ó wẹ ọ̀pá ẹ̀mí pẹ́ náà bọ́ọ̀dù mẹ́ta ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní mi dá yọ pásẹ́kì nàbíọ́nà ẹ̀wọ̀n mi dá àfọ̀n ẹni mi mọ̀ dàtà àwáyé yẹrẹ and the one lẹ́yìn mẹ́ta mẹ́ta mẹ́ẹ̀ that ọ̀yẹ́ báyìí problem ma ọ̀nà kan ẹ̀ nà máa wò má rí ya. Oyo baseki do ze mo your problem mo. Oyo baseki wa do ze mo your problem mo. Problem mo memo. Ni masa bo vibe wa ni security ariwo. Ma gogo. E buy tom 12 man. Ege na bare me buy le makawa COVID-19. Beja ba me buy. Ma survival. Arabia ejere we kigbo won se anyo bla gboro ki donation. E buy market da hwa. E buy market da yol. Wa ye ma ko no ko na so. Let's fight this fight. Let's drive the bastard away. Let's chase the Babylon away. Let them get out. What is food, man? Cook it, brother. We have been starving. Then we are already liberated. Starving is over any time from now. If we fight this fight very well. But if we use anger, say we will destroy the property. When we go meet, me are not a partaker. My name is not written in that Guinness book because I'm not a destroyer. I live with my life the way I choose my life. I walk with God alone. I don't work with Lucifer. Lucifer honor me. They knows me very well. I say the truth. I'm not down to rich. I'm not down to poor. And I'm not even rich. I live my life the way I choose my life. So don't let us leave this fight. Tomorrow wake up early in the morning. Wake up, brother. Say, tell them we are not. We don't even hear them because they have never. Okay, you wait. Now see what happen. Hi, say shuffle to the. You know when the pap high, the pap where you are telling the wrong no. They mean not an info. No way why you make bezo. And so the man talk. You get lamba. Everybody get in power. Okay, you see what they do us now. Country will never settle. They are nominating. INEC chairman have been given a 5 years guarantee to rule us for 5 years. 2023 now. INEC chairman will be ruling us. And country will be say they are at protest at this present time. Country will be say blood flow, killing day. Then they nominate. You see the Senate and the president office. They are stupid. They are bastard. Nigeria is clapped. We are talking about rights. We are not trying to fight for our rights. A man come out, a military that will give a power. He says he's not afraid. That said of him, brutal. Said of him, to succumb. He will never travel again. Nigeria is happy. Then you are dancing for rice. You are dancing for Indomie. A man come out. The Jabagan that bring anarchy to Nigeria. That came to destroy the children. Come out and boasted that he is not afraid. He is still the Jabagan of Lagos State. Then you are burning. You cannot hold the man ransom. You cannot give him 12 slap and tell him the youth wake up. Not be all this kind of story when they talk. Not be media matter. If media matter, you be media matter. Talk. The youth are still happy today, suffering and smiling. Augustine Ilenio Fela Anikulapo Kuti, he prophesied this prophesizing that one day Africa youth will realize their mistake. He said, do you see police brutality? Do you see others' enjoyment? This is not called enjoyment. We must suffer this suffer, and we have already getting to the target. You imagine a country that we all believe that is our own country. Our soldiers are dying in the Sambisa forest without no water to drink. A gallant soldier is not paying well. Even though they die, they will not give them benefits. The leaders of the soldiers hijack the soldiers. See a country, a Boko Haram terrorist will be having an immunity. A terrorist described as a hoodlum is a saboteur in the country. He will be having an immunity. After they get him arrested, they will rehabilitate him. They will take him to international community school. A student, graduate, that went to primary school, O-level, university, read master, we has no work, will be ending from hand to mouth. The father that gave me that opportunity, give him food, give him the education bonus, will now be still be begging to eat. Then you are telling me everything is all right. A country whereby immunity carry the leaders, the poor are dying every day. No water, no road, no light, no job opportunity. Suffering and smiling. Giving us 5,000 for 4 years is a taboo. And the youth are the problem. What God have given to you people at this present time, may no any human being or born on earth take it away from you people. This is the time. In the name of our Lord that live in heaven, the light of the youth have shined. And if you make this mistake, well, but thank God it was my regime when God opened the road, because I fight for this ministry. And thank God this ministry must grow if you people maintain the lane, not by casualty. You reason this country, a graduate will not become a presiding officer of this country, and O level will not become a presiding officer of this country. Standard 6 analog will be rolling you. They will be sleeping in the parliament. They will be snoring. Old man, come off inside motor AC, reach inside AC, reach House of Assembly AC, reach Senate AC, and this man is weak. He cannot go out and sit down and be giving children advice, and the children will be bringing money for him. They have hijacked the land, and you people are happy. We have been hungry. This is the time we have to fight our hungry. We will not die with their biscuit. We will not die with their indomie. We will not die with their rice. We have starved enough to fight for our rights. A country that have resources will remove the resources and transport it to the white man village and still refine it and pay them and still transport it down to us. And we will still clear it. Then you are telling me everything is all right? A country whereby immunity cannot take the poor, the police brutality, they intimidate children, children that run away from home to go and find what they eat. When they come, they brutalize them, they seize their cars, they call them EFCC, they call them SARS. They have immunity. They were having POS. They were intimidators. They were brutalizing our children. Children no longer have heart to come home and enjoy itself. Children being exiled. You are telling me everything is all right? So the race started very well. And thank God it started with the fox. And the fox realized their mistake. And the fox are not even paying. Check out the policeman receiving 50,000 naira. Which you, that ordinary man, cannot spend for a twanking an eye. And all those men are giving side chick 700 million a twanking an eye. And those men have nothing to offer. Their weak brain. Their brain is liquidated. Their brain is no longer function. They hijack children, they hijack the children, they hijack the brain of the children. They are telling us everything is all right. Then you are fighting for them. You want to die before them. You cannot fight this fight. If you miss it, believe me, because I know when I die one day, you people will remember me. I know I must die. The riches die, the poor die. The bad die, the good die, the ugly die. We watch the film, the good, the bad, the ugly. Nobody will know that, but leave a good legacy in future, just like Fela Anikulapo Kuti, just like Captain Ernest Mali, just like Peter Tosh, just like Lucky Dube, just like Nkrumah, just like Thomas Sankara, just like we when we see there alive, the Mulumba, just like us, just like Jesus Christ, just like Muhammad. You see the pioneers? We have pioneers. Martin Luther King, the great people that fight for this fight. We have been fighting this fight, and this fight we must continue. Even though we go, A lot of them will come. Stone will come and fight for us till Africa will be liberated, till Africa will be free. We may not succeed it. Africa must succeed. Bet it. When Africa succeed, all those leaders, we will use them as a square goat. We will slice them because they disorganize our plan. Water everywhere, water in the hub, no water to drink. Food everywhere, food in the hub, no food to chop, food in the sea. Good health, no equate. We are financially buoyant. We are healthy. We have power to do everything. They hijack it. Then you are telling me everything is alright. Then you are clapping for them. The one you bring to be ruling me. Fake president, audio president. I know they. What they will do? If we want to fight for our right, if they kill one, we arrest their children, we blow one. We will not be killing ourselves, burning our property. If they kill one of poor citizen, we go remove one for inside their house. As soon as you have no far now, if they're there America now, we will protest for Igbo land. Igbo will give us his pikin. We will take and do suya for him. He go eat. Then you see everywhere go banners. Giving you 5,000 naira to come and kill your brother. Giving you 10,000 to go and kill your brother. It's not ideal. They have disappointed us. They have punished us a long time ago. We are being tormented. We are not enjoying. The rich itself in this African country, check out their body. If you go Europe, if you come back, you check your body. How many times they fugament Africa? Air surveillance go come for all helicopter. You go kill all the old mosquito, kill the bacteria. All those amenities we get them. We ask the money. Some people carry them, go lock am for inside town. That money go dey rot ten. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
You understand me? What I'm telling you now, the truth. Now, truth now better pass. Let's fight for our rights. Let's fight for our rights. Let us tell them no man is God. Let us tell them, and from tomorrow morning, we will not use gun, we will not use cutlass. We will not use gun, we will not use cutlass. We will not use any hard object. We will move massively to Abuja right now. We have cars. People will buy fuel. Una when the diaspora go sponsor, we'll go meet town. We will even know whether the man really dey alive or whether na story we dey make. We will ask the senior, say, "Mona leave the seat. Hey, which course you read for school?" I read mass com. I read this, I read this, I read this. This is your post. Stay there first. Give me interim government. What about you? Stay there first. Give me interim government. All those men will put them for one place. We ask them question. Baba, you try you. We don't say you no good. We no kill you. We are not the killer. We no the keep person. What do we do now? That money when you keep for that place, bring am come. Want to can repair new Nigeria. If you no bring am, then we will cut for your body small. Leave cut first. We will cut for your body small. When we cut for one of your ear for 3 days, e go show us money wey dey California. E go show us money wey dey Brazil. Go head don heavy. They are calling us coward. They say, see Nigeria youth. International community sef no respect una again. Because before the time when I start this protest, it was very peaceful. I know say government hijack it, but when person hijack something, they don dey use brain. When person hijack something, they don dey use brain. Then una come join them to hijack and finish. Go dey break warehouse, go dey bomb police station, go dey bomb airport, go dey loot. Na looting be your problem now. Abi how we go take survive? How our brother go fit come, they go do business, no disturb again? How everything go take smooth? How be say we even chase the Babylons away? If you get sense now, you go know say they look us say we just do as say na noise maker we be, e don dey go down now. Everything don die except you wake up, and wake up, I will wake up with you. And when we are waking up now, nobody destroy property, nobody burn tire on the road, because all those roads sef no first good. We dey add injury join our injury. Injury, one of those our old cargos don first give us, we don dey open am more. Check out this road wey dey bump for 36 state now. Before nothing coming here, you go see many gutter, dem no go repair am. And you will no fight this fight now so that more fit construct am. 2023, as dem still come, na story go still be, but this time let's drive them away. I take God beg una, the great Nigeria youth, Africa, giant of Africa, home of West, home my home. When shall I see my home? Our brother no longer come home. When shall I see my lady friend? I shall never forget my home. Oh my home. I salute you people. Let's don't destroy this what God has given to us. Hard to get but easy to spend. This ministry when God give us, if we take and play, we no go see am again. The leaders will call people fool, they will call me fool, they will call all of us fool. Our brother will not even go to come house. They have hijacked it. Let's renovate the ministry. Let's fight for our rights. God bless you people in Jesus' name. When days belong, more days ahead. Fight for your rights. This is the time we have to fight for our freedom. Police brutality is over. Intimidation is over. Our leader need to end the same salary with the teachers. Our leader need to be ending salary with the same civil servant. So that equation will balance. Cheating will not be there again. They will not have immunity more than the poor, because our resources is what they are using. Thank you. Respect to the youth.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.